It is not what it looks like.
Well, it looks like you're cheating with.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my page. I'm so excited today because I've stuck to my meal plan the entire week, and I've exercised 3 days this week. And now today has arrived, which is my cheat day. And I want to share with you my cheat day snack for today. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you this Mission Flour tortilla bread. It's soft. And then I have my bananas and my crunchy peanut butter. I'm not really a peanut butter fan, so it doesn't matter to me which brand I get. And then PB Fit, which is a great source of protein. I love it. I love the taste, and I actually use it for my protein shakes. Add in there and pop it down. Now we wait, but not wait too long. Voila! It looks delicious. And if you can see, it's crisp around the edges to give it that solid foundation to hold my peanut butter, and it's going to give it that pizza type feel. And I could have also did it in the oven, but shortcuts are the best. Spread that around. Looks delicious. Now I'm going to take a scoop of my PB Fit peanut butter powder and spread a little bit of this on there. It's hard to do it with one hand, guys, but yeah, you get the gist. And then I'm going to add my ground cinnamon. It's good for flavor. Plus, I hear it's nutritious for so many other reasons. And then I have my bananas. Bananas in my tummy. So yummy, so yummy. Shout out to my niece. But I'm taking my time to put the bananas on the top. This is a quick and easy snack. It's really simple to make. It's delicious. And cheat day. Let's cut it into sections. And then I'm going to let my daughter Kasia take over from here. She's going to sample it to let you know how delicious it is, if it is.
About what you think about this delightfully tasty cheat day dessert.
I think that it looks healthy. Oh, after I taste it?
Yes.
I think that it could use a little less peanut butter. I think the bananas, if they were a little firmer, it would be better, but it's a very delicious snack. And I think if you had drizzle some honey on it, it will be even better.
It's a cheat day, not a go crazy day.
Okay.
I feel good. I knew that I would not. I feel